The reality is that your Facebook ads are not going to work at all if you don't have a funnel, and you cannot have a funnel that converts really well if you don't have an irresistible offer. Hey, I am in London and just about to get on a cruise toward the London Tower, and I thought, well, I have a couple of minutes so I can record a quick video fast. And I just wanted to talk about the misconception of sometimes people think, you know, I can, like many times I hear this from many people out there. People say, oh, I need to learn, you know, how to run Facebook ads, and if I can learn Facebook ads, like my whole business is going to change, my whole like I'm going to get so many leads, everything is going to change. And that's a huge misconception. The reality is that your Facebook ads are not going to work at all if you don't have a funnel, and you cannot have a funnel that converts really well if you don't have an irresistible offer. Okay, just keep this in mind, that the first step of building a successful business is not going through Facebook ads or spending money on traffic and stuff like that. And I know that that's probably like what many of us want to believe, but that's not the reality. The reality is that the foundation of a business is serving customers with excellence. The foundation of a business is giving them the packages and the products and the services that they really want, and then building a funnel that converts people to actual paying clients. I think actually that's my boat that is coming aside, but it's coming, but it's not yet here. So I have actually a couple of more minutes here. But yeah, so the foundation is having the irresistible offer. If you haven't heard me talk about how to create an irresistible offer, there's a specific 8-step questionnaire market research that you can do. I don't have the time to go through it right now, but technically you can ask 8 questions from 8 to 20 people in your target market, and they tell you exactly what's the package that they can buy. Now, I teach that as part of our online course creation course, which there's actually a free webinar on it. So you can go to ultimatecourseformula.com and register for that free webinar and learn about like all the details and like how to do the market research, how to build a specific irresistible offer for people. But when you do that, when you build an irresistible offer, then you can put together a funnel and a system that when your traffic lands on it, they can actually convert. So by using that market research, you can get people to just kind of write for them the sales copy, the email copies, the video testimonials. Everything can be done based on that specific 8-question market research. So make sure that you actually go and watch that, and then from there you can learn how to build a Facebook funnel that converts, and then you can go to Facebook ads and you can spend money on Facebook ads to get results. Okay, I gotta go, but looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below. Thanks, and see you soon.